What does this road sign mean? A. Be more aware of pedestrians and your speed in this area. B. It is safe to enter this area. C. Do not enter this area. D. This is a high crime area. What does this road sign mean? A. Road branching off ahead. B. Merging traffic ahead. C. No left turns. D. Hidden intersection. What does this road sign mean? A. End of 50 km per hour zone. B. Maximum speed of 50 km per hour from this sign to the next one. C. Speed limit changes to 50 km per hour ahead. D. Speed limit for rural school zones. What does this road sign mean? A. No left turns are allowed. B. There is merging traffic ahead. C. No U-turns are allowed. D. There is a hidden intersection ahead. What does this road sign mean? A. You must not turn left. B. You must not turn right. C. You must turn right. D. You must turn left. What does this road sign mean? A. This is a playground. B. During school hours when the yellow lights are flashing, the speed limit is 40 km per hour. C. The speed limit is 40 km per hour at all times. D. This is a pedestrian crosswalk. What does this road sign mean? A. Detour. B. Provincial park. C. Directions to cities and towns. D. School zone. This driver is using a hand signal. The driver intends to A. Speed up. B. Turn left. C. Slow down or stop. D. Turn right. What does this road sign mean? A. You must stop for a school bus if its red signals are flashing. B. You must stop for a school bus if your turn signals are flashing. C. You may pass a school bus if its red signals are flashing. D. You must stop for a school bus if the traffic lights are flashing. What does this road sign mean? A. Paved surface ends ahead. B. Divided roadway ahead. C. Narrow bridge ahead. D. Underpass ahead. What does this road sign mean? A. Truck entrance ahead on the right. B. A hidden school bus stop. C. Bus entrance ahead on the right. D. Hidden driveway ahead. What does this road sign mean? A. No standing allowed here. B. Drive with caution. C. The road is slippery when wet. D. Share the road with oncoming traffic. What does this road sign mean? A. This is a highway with 2 express lanes. B. 2 lanes are closed ahead. C. 2 lanes will merge into 1. D. 2 or more occupants must be in the vehicle to use this lane. What does this road sign mean? A. Survey crew working ahead. B. Traffic control person ahead. C. Road work ahead. D. Pedestrian area. What does this road sign mean? A. Bumpy road ahead. B. Steep hill ahead. C. No pavement 500 feet ahead. D. Safety check ahead. This road sign indicates A. You may drive in any direction from any lane. B. You must not enter this area. C. The direction of travel for each lane. D. You may not turn here. What does this road sign mean? A. There is a sharp bend or curve in the road ahead. B. Keep right if there is faster traffic. C. This lane exits to the right. D. There is a slight bend or curve in the road ahead. What does this road sign mean? A. Bicycles not allowed. B. No left turns. C. Bicycle crossing ahead. D. No parking. What does this road sign mean? A. Pavement ends. B. Divided roadway ahead. C. Falling rocks. D. Low clearance underpass ahead. What does this road sign mean? A. Intersection ahead. B. Side road near a railway ahead. C. Pedestrian crosswalk ahead. D. Railway crossing ahead. If a fully licensed driver is convicted of using a handheld electronic device while driving, they will face which of the following penalties for first offense? A. A 30-day license suspension. B. A fine of up to $500 and 2 demerit points. C. A fine of up to $1,000 and 3 demerit points. D. None of the above. On a highway, when may you drive at the maximum speed limit? A. Only when it's safe to do so. B. Only on one-way roadways. C. At any time. D. Only in the daytime. Using a cell phone while driving, it is acceptable. B should be avoided, but it isn't illegal. C is a good way to multitask. D increases the risk of a collision. A Level 1, Class G1, learner driver may practice driving under the supervision of a licensed driver who has at least of driving experience. A. 3 years. B. 4 years. C. 5 years. D. 2 years. You are approaching an intersection where there is no signal light or police officer. A pedestrian is in the crosswalk on your side of the street. You should A. Slow down and drive with increased caution. B. Sound your horn to warn the pedestrian. C. Increase your speed and pass the pedestrian. D. Yield to the pedestrian. If you want to pass a motorcycle, you should A. Turn on your high beam headlights before you pass. B. Pass it the same way that you would pass a car. C. Use half of the motorcycle's lane to pass. D. Honk your horn before you pass. In Ontario, you may not carry in a house or boat trailer while you are towing it. A. Firearms. B. Flammable materials. C. People. D. Pets. The use of alcohol or drugs affects the driver by impairing which of the following? A. Vision. B. Reaction time. C. Judgment. D. All of the above. If someone is tailgating you, what should you do? A. Increase your following distance behind the vehicle in front of you. B. Move into another lane when it is safe to do so. C. Pull over to let the tailgater pass. D. Do any of the above. When driving in heavy fog, you should use your A. Parking lights and high beam headlights. B. High beam headlights. C. Parking lights. D. Low beam headlights. At an intersection when the signal light is green, which of the following has the right-of-way over all others? A. Vehicles turning right. B. Pedestrians crossing against the light. C. Vehicles turning left. D. Pedestrians crossing with the light. Overdriving your headlights at night is dangerous because A. Your headlights are too bright. B. You cannot stop within the distance that you can see ahead. C. It can drain the car battery. D. You are driving too fast. Which of the following classes of vehicles may carry a red light visible from the front? A. Recreational vehicles. B. Emergency vehicles. C. Bicycles. D. Trucks. In Ontario, when driving at night, you must dim your headlights, use low beams, whenever you are following another vehicle within A. 120 meters. B. 150 meters. C. 500 meters. D. 60 meters. A no parking sign means A. You may stop temporarily to load or unload merchandise but not passengers. B. You may stop temporarily to load or unload passengers or merchandise. C. You may stop temporarily to load or unload passengers but not merchandise. D. You may not stop for any reason. A Gram 2 driver age 19 or younger who has 6 months or less of driving experience may carry unrelated passenger, S, age 19 or younger between midnight and 5 a.m. A. 2. B. 4. C. 3. D. 1. At an intersection where there is a flashing amber, yellow, traffic light, you must A. Stop if you are making a left turn. B. Slow down and proceed with caution. C. Continue at the same speed. D. Stop if you are making a right turn. Unless otherwise posted, the maximum speed limit in cities, towns and villages is A. 30 km per hour. B. 40 km per hour. C. 60 km per hour. D. 50 km per hour. While driving, a Level 2, Class G2, driver must not have a blood alcohol concentration greater than A. 0.02%, B. 0.05%, C. 0, D. 0.08%. If the traffic signal light facing you is red and you intend to go straight through the intersection, what must you do? A. Slow down and then proceed when the way is clear. B. Stop and then proceed when the way is clear. C. Stop, yield to pedestrians, and then proceed with caution. D. Stop and then proceed only when the signal turns green and the way is clear.